Hey Banggood, this is the problem that I'm having with my Petrel 75 2-inch Innch drone. Here it is, it's got a battery in it, Gen 3. And it has the TBS crossfire on it. But if you look at each of these propellers spin freely. So I'm going to get my controller, switch on the power. I see only 3 propellers are spinning because I moved over the throttle. That stops. I'll do it again. Arm it. Okay, one more time. And there's the problem. Also, I cannot get it to fly, but for 10 seconds, and I'll drop it out of the air. So I'm assuming there's a problem with the ESC on the drone. Thanks for watching.